Paskaline. I am the Festival Producer for Watch Africa Film Festival, and Watch Africa Film Festival is all about celebrating the African cinema. And trust me, for the first time, these 3 days have been the most beautiful 3 days we've ever had. We've had like very nice films, documentaries about the African heritage, and we had a very beautiful panel discussion for the part of Laikipia, which was a very good highlight on like letting people know about the things that are happening in Kenya, the different, how people are using films to just celebrate the culture of Africa. All the way from South Africa, we had films from Nigeria, Kenya. It was all diverse. And other than that, we had a very nice drumming session with Idris, and everyone was joining in, everyone was dancing. We had a spoken word performance from Tia, and I mean, it can never go wrong when you have so many people enjoying the festival and seeing like that bring a light about the Africa in general. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm so excited. And today is the last day, which is Sunday. We've had 2 films. One for the family started at 12, and then we just had our last screening, The Empty Grave, and we are literally looking forward for next year, and we can't wait to do so much. It is very important because I think when we talk about African cinema, we went to the streets of Cardiff asking people what they know about African cinema, and most people were just talking about Black Panther and all the Avengers, but in general, those are not the only African films we have. We have very upcoming filmmakers who are telling stories, and I think it's very important for us to actually show that to the rest of the people. And most people go to learn many things that they didn't even know existed in Africa, and that's our major goal, to have people see what African filmmakers are doing, all the African cinema is doing around the world.